Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate correlation coefficient in Excel. So let's get into the video. So the easiest way to do it is simply putting a formula which is equals to correl open parenthesis, and you have to select two array for this. So I will select the first array, put a comma, and select the second array and close the parenthesis. Click on enter. As you can see, it is now um, you know shown that the correlation between these two cells is pretty close because it's 0.728, almost 0.73. So yes, this is how you can calculate correlation coefficient through the Excel. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.